Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with Social Media Ministries. I've got an exciting announcement. You can now support Social Media Ministries by shopping on Amazon. That's right, you can go to smile.amazon.com. There'll be a link in the description below. And what this is it's an Amazon program set up specifically to help nonprofit companies. And so there's no additional cost, there are no additional fees. In addition, all of the items that you find through Smile, Amazon Smiles, are going to be exactly the same as you would find on the normal Amazon.com. So what it is it's a website that basically allows social media ministries to receive from Amazon. It's only 0.5%, but it's better than nothing. So we'll get 0.5% of all your sales of everything you purchase will go to be donated to social media ministries, and that'll come from Amazon. So Amazon has pledged that if you shop through that link, they'll donate 0.5% of whatever you buy to us. Now, I understand that that's not a huge amount, but if you want to share this video and share our link, and if you use the link and get your friends and family to use the link to purchase, 0.5% is better than nothing, and we need all the help we can get, especially if it's through something you're already doing each and every day. Now, I understand that you may have other things. Maybe you get programs or something where you can earn cash back by shopping online and your cash back rate is different. Well, that's because that's an affiliate commission and this is a charity. So if you want to do that, that's great. I just ask that maybe in some other way you could help social media ministries. If it's not by shopping on Amazon, maybe by one of the other partnerships we have available, or through prayer or sharing our content, etc. So if you want, and you can, shop on Amazon through our Amazon Smiles link, we would greatly appreciate it. That link will be in the description below. Feel free to share it with your friends and family as well. But if it's something you can do, that would be great. Otherwise, we hope you subscribe to the channel, follow us on social media, and also continue to share our content. Thank you.